Advanced SEO for 2020 and beyond. Good SEO means understanding what Google is looking for and making sure that your websites and your clients' websites meet those criteria. But great SEO means preempting what Google is going to do in the future. This is a lesson that SEOs have learned hard in the past. People ranted and raved at Google for not giving warning, for not telling people what it wanted. The algorithms are never changing, so you need to do better. You need to get inside the mind of Google to create a future-proof SEO and internet marketing plan. Google is creating a tool that will bring up search results based on natural language queries. It needs us to add semantic markup language to our website. This is additional HTML that will show Google where specific elements are in our content. For instance, if you write a recipe for a nice meal, then your markup language will show Google where the ingredients are. This is how Google is able to show us useful information right on the SERPs, search engine results page, when we search for something. When we ask, "When did Abraham Lincoln die?" Google itself will tell us without even having to click the link. Going mobile. After all, Google is very keen for us to use its AMP initiative, AMP, Accelerated Mobile Pages, which is an open-source initiative designed to encourage more site owners to create sites that will load in a flash for mobile users. This goes beyond mere mobile friendliness and essentially displays your entire website on a signal page with minimal Chrome or navigational elements and with a huge focus on speed of loading. It's said that these pages load 4 times quicker than regular websites. At the very least, you need to check that your site is mobile-friendly using Google's own checker tool. You need to check it for speed as well as for a responsive design. That means it should change the size and position of elements depending on the size of the screen viewing it. Preparing for the Google apocalypse. So, part of the job of a good internet marketer is looking into the crystal ball and predicting possible futures. That also means you need to have contingency plans for every scenario. And one of the most important scenarios to be ready for is the demise of Google. Either that, or the possibility that Google might de-index you for whatever reason. You simply cannot afford to be 100% reliant on Google for your traffic. So, what do? The most important things will be: write fantastic content, build loyal fans, create a social media following, build a mailing list. This way you will diversify your audience and not be 100% reliant on Google. They do say, never have all your eggs in one basket.